Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the UPROCK airdrop on your mobile for free. So UPROCK is basically based on deepin narrative along with AI, and currently it's sitting around 1.39 million market cap. Now I will need to check whether this is accurate or not. And farming this airdrop is absolutely free. You can go ahead and download the UPROCK app on your mobile phone. So I guess it's also available on the App Store on iOS, but right now I'm using Android. That's the reason why I haven't checked it on iPhone yet. And also, if you have a Solana seeker, you can also go ahead and download the app. Now you can use my sign up referral link for farming this airdrop as it really supports my channel. So now I will go ahead and show you this app on my Solana seeker. So if you are having a Solana seeker, simply go to the App Store and in the search for UPROCK. So we'll wait, and then I've already downloaded it. So I will go ahead and click on open. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your mobile to this app. Now if you go to my wallet over here, as you can see currently I have zero balance because my device is still running. So if we go ahead and click on devices, as you can see they are performing some test on my device. So there are 5 tests left and it will end in 5 days. So after 5 days I will start getting this UPT balance which is over here in my main wallet. And as you can see, you will be tracking all the transactions that are happening. So there would be UPT transfer. Now if you go to overview over here and click on deposit, as you can see you can also deposit UPT in the app and go ahead and stake UPT. Now staking UPT will earn you some additional rewards. So this UPROCK is available on a centralized exchange called 2bit. Now you can use my sign up referral link for 2bit as it will give you 9,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And if you go ahead and check the market, you can also buy it on any Solana wallet. So you can use Orca or Meteora to go ahead and buy UPROCK. Now if we compare the market cap and the circulating supply of UPROCK to Grass, which is also on the similar line. So as you can see, Grass is around 215 million US dollar market cap at the time of making this video. And that's the reason why UPROCK has a huge upside potential. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Even if UPROCK manages to reach Grass's market cap, which is around 215 million, that's 200x from here. And also farming this airdrop is absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about anything. And please don't forget to use my sign up referral link once again for this, as it really supports my channel. And apart from this, if you want to earn some additional UPT, you can go ahead and play all of these games. So basically they have this my chips and pubscale where there are multiple games inside it. So let me go ahead and show it to you. As you can see, there are these multiple games and you will need to finish certain tasks inside the game in order to earn this UPT. Now let me go back. They also have this surveys and deals. Now in deals, there is a 2x cashback on 1000 plus different stores. And if you answer certain surveys, you will start earning UPT. And also you can invite your friends and family members in order to earn some additional UPT. So these are some of the steps what you can currently do in order to farm the UPROCK airdrop for absolutely free. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.